Hello, we are going to introduce this USB-C Type-C to dual HDMI adapter, USB-C Type-C port, and HDMI to HDMI. Okay, this is USB-C, connect to laptop, USB-C. And to HDMI. So I'm connected to HDMI. And connect TV. Connect to second TV. So you can see we get two extender monitors for this laptop. Okay, press Windows key, and P. Then select extend. This one is extend. Okay, you will see two external monitors, extended display. You can go to the display setting, and you can see two extended display. You can move your mouse to the extended display and to monitor 2. Change the layout. Apply. So when you move your mouse to the left, from your laptop to left, it will go to monitor 2 and back to monitor. And move to right, it will go to the extended monitor 3. 1, 2, 3. And you can see the extended monitor. Select one of the extended monitor. You can set the resolution. You can up to 4K. Single 4K 60 Hz. And if you connect to for this adapter, if you connect to external monitor, you can get dual 4K monitor, dual 4K resolutions. So if just connect one, it can be 4K 60 Hz. Let's play a movie. So you can move to the big screen, to the external display. Move the left. Move the right. Back to computer. Okay, that's it. USB-C to dual HDMI adapter, 4K.